Good morning, kids. I hope you all are good and doing really fine at your home. Okay, so let's start our English class. And you know what? Today we are going to start a very interesting topic today. Okay? So just get ready. Just tell me one thing. Are you guys also getting bored at home? Yes, so do I. I'm also getting very bored at home. Okay then, let me take you to the garden. Surprised? Huh? Okay, do as I say. Close your eyes and imagine that we are in a garden. Okay, kids? Now tell me, what are the things that we can see in a garden? There are flowers in a garden. And hey, see, there's a beautiful butterfly that is flying near the flowers. There are benches to sit. So many swings are there. And hey, just look over there. There's a beautiful rabbit who is hopping all around in the garden. And there, an old lady is walking with her pet dog. So many children are playing in the garden, right? There are so many trees in a garden. Tell me some more things that we can see in a garden. Yes, there are so many trees as well. Oh no, my mama is calling me back. And now we all have to go back to our homes. So children, just open your eyes and we are going home back. Now, can you tell me what are all the things that we just saw in the garden? We saw flowers, butterfly, benches, swings, an old lady, there was a dog and rabbit as well, right? Now, can you tell me what are all those things? These are the names of all those things that we just saw in the garden, right? Okay, do one thing. Just think for a moment and tell me, do all these things come under the same category? No? No, all these things don't come under the same category. Okay then, we will try to categorize them. Okay? If you remember, then we saw old lady and children in the garden. And these both are persons, right? First of all, we were at home. Then we went to the garden, and then when my mama called me, we again went back to our homes, right? Then what are these? What is garden and what is home? These are the name of the places, right? We saw the old lady was walking with the dog and rabbit was hopping all around there. So what are dog and rabbit? They are animals, right? And we also saw that there were benches to sit and children were playing with the ball. So what is bench and ball? These are the names of a thing. Yes, did you notice that all the person, place, animal or a thing has a name, like we just saw? Grandma and children are persons, home and garden are places, dogs and rabbit are animal, and benches and ball are a thing. And you know what? All these naming words are known as nouns. Hence, we can say that noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay? And now we are going to do a small exercise to make sure that you all have understood what nouns are. Okay, so just get ready and we are going to do a small exercise. Okay, now just look at the board and see. I have written few words on the board. Now you have to tell me what are these. These are a person, place, animal or a thing, right? So let's start with doctor. Tell me, what is doctor? Is doctor a person, a place, an animal or a thing? Tell me what it is. Yes, you're right. Doctor is a person. Now tell me, what is a bottle? Yes, you're absolutely correct. Bottle is a thing. Okay, tell me, what is Hapur? Yes, Hapur is the name of a place. Yes, we live in Hapur. You're correct. What is horse? What is horse? Tell me. Horse is an animal. Good, good. And what is a pen? We all use pen, right? What is pen? Pen is a thing. Very good. Mother. Your mama. Who's she? She's a person, place, animal or a thing? Your mama is a person. Very good. And what is school? Tell me, what is school? Yes, school is a place, and I know you all are really missing your school these days. And cat? What is cat? We all have seen cat, right? What is a cat? Cat is an animal. Very good, very good. Now that we have also done a small exercise, now once again recall what are noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Correct, beta? Now I am giving you one similar exercise which you have to do at your own. Okay? Good luck. Bye-bye. It was nice to meet you all. Bye.